Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install One UI 8.5 icons on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay, for now my device running on One UI 8 and let me show you how to install One UI 8.5 icons on Galaxy device. So simply go to Play Store, search One UI 8.5 icon pack and download this icon pack from Play Store. These icon packs direct Play Store link available on description. After download, simply go back and go to Galaxy Store and download GoodLock. Search GoodLock and simply download. After download, simply tap and open. After open, tap on agree and continue, go to plugins and go to theme park. First download theme park plugin. After install theme park, simply open. Tap on icon, tap on create new. Tap on icon pack and select this One UI 8.5 icon pack. Simply tap on download button. Save button. Simply save. And apply. After apply, look at these latest One UI 8.5 3D icons also on your Galaxy device. Look at these latest One UI 8.5 icons on your Galaxy device. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.